We're gonna immediately skip to the next pack because that's fucking garbage. Let's see what we get here, guys. A blue and 2 more fucking commons. Let's fucking go, dude. Let's kill ourselves. I'll probably use the crafting metals to craft the dildo for your fucking mom.
That one there was a violation. Personally, I wouldn't have it.
Let's see what we get in the next apex. We got 2 commons and a blue again! Let's fucking go! More crafting metals to shove up your ass! Let's open the next pack quick. Speed run, guys! I got 2 commons and a blue again! Let's fucking go! I got a intro quip for...
Shut up, nigga.
Oh fuck, shut the fuck up! I'm in that fucking Apex pack opening!
Bro, I don't care what you're doing, shut up, nigga. Ready up.
Today will be... Alright, next Apex pack. Oh, I got 2 blues this time.